Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to automate panning in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you have your audio recorded and so on. So let's go ahead and get started with seeing how we can automate panning. So the first thing you want to do is open up your track mode. So I'm going to open up audio recorder right here. That's going to open up this recording menu, and where in the upper left corner we'll have the button for opening up the edit mode, and after clicking on it this is going to open up this mixing mode where we can get started. As you can see, here are all my tracks. I have my drums, keyboards and my audio recording. So guys, basically if you want to get started with automating your panning, all you have to do is go right here and click the icon next to your track. So click on this icon right here. This is going to open up this new menu where you can find multiple options, and one of them is going to be called automation. So what you want to do is click on automation, and this is now going to go ahead and enable you to get started with automating your track. So here you can go ahead and manage everything you want to use, set it to whatever options you want, and get started with your automating process. After that guys, once you're finished, you can go right here into the upper right corner, click on done, and in the upper right corner click the settings icon to see if everything is correct and you have the options that you want. After that you can combine that to get your automated process. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.